Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to revisit a tutorial that I did about a year ago when this channel first started, but I thought it'd be neat just to do it again because there's some of you that might not have seen this trick before, and it's really kind of a neat trick, and it only involves 6 cards, okay? This is a 6-card oil and water routine, okay? Red, black, red, black, red, black. The red and black cards symbolize oil and water. And just like oil and water, it doesn't like to be mixed, okay? So when you have 6 cards together in red, black order, they like to be separated as well, okay? Now, a little phenomenon happens, but if you watch closely, you'll see what exactly that is when you mix up the cards, okay? So I have a red card, I'll take that, place it on the top, okay? That'll leave me with a black card, I'll take that and place that on the top, okay? The next card is a red card, I'll take that one, place it on the top, and then the black card next to that, I'll take that and place it on the top. That'll leave me with a red card, take that, place it on the top, and then finally the last card, the black 8, and I'll take that one, place that on the top, okay? So the cards are in red, black, red, black, red, black order, but if I just give them a snap, pass them through my hand, they shall separate into all reds and all blacks, and even in order, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's 6-card oil and water. Now, before I tell you how to do this, please like and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. I post tutorials about once a week, so if you want to be notified when there's a new video posted, make sure you click on that bell and have your notifications on, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. Okay, and now for the tutorial, okay? 6-card oil and water. It's a pretty easy trick to do. There's one sleight move that you have to do, one sleight of hand move you have to do called the glide move, which is not too difficult to do, and you do it twice in this trick, okay? Now, you just need 6 cards, get 3 reds, 3, 4, 5, can be hearts, diamonds, 6, 7, 8, could be spades. It doesn't matter the number, it really doesn't matter the suit, just as long as you have red and black, you'll be fine, okay? Now, you want to have these in a certain order from top to bottom, okay? 3, 7, 5, 6, 4, 8, okay? So from top, 3, 7, 5, 6, 4, 8, okay? Now, if you do it this way, you'll end up with the cards in order, the 3, 4, 5 of hearts and the 6, 7 of 8. So that's kind of why we use these cards, okay? But you start off with this order, face up from top to bottom, okay? 3, 7, 5, 6, 4, 8, okay? 3, 5, and 4 are red cards, 6, 7, and 8 are black cards, okay? Now, they're just regular 6 cards, okay? Show them, talk about the cards, you know, being like oil and water. You have red and black cards, you know, the black can be the oil, red can be the water, whatever you want to use, okay, as your storyline. Now, to do the trick, now I'm gonna kind of show it like this, okay, so you can see it on the camera how it's done. So you show the first card, it's the red 3, and all you're doing is taking the red 3 and placing it on top of the stack, okay? Take it from the bottom, place it on the top. Now you're showing the next one, the black card, the black 7. You just take that black 7, take it from the bottom, place it on the top, okay? The third card, the red 5, you're showing the red 5, and what you're gonna do is do the glide move. And the glide move is under the cover of your hand, push the 5 back just a little bit, and then take this card right above it, which is the 6, and placing it on the top, okay? And then square the cards back up, and now you're not showing this card, okay? And then you're just taking this, because the spectator thinks it's a black card, and you say black, and you're just taking that and placing it on the top. Now you can show this next card again. It's a red card. Take that one off the bottom, place it on the top, okay? And then show the final black card, the black 8, and instead of taking this one off the bottom and putting on the top, you're doing the glide move one more time, which is just pushing over with your finger, taking the card right above it and placing that on the top, and then squaring all the cards up. And then now you're just have the cards face down and count on the table and just say, you know, red, black, red, black, red, black. And then take the cards, pick them up, put them in your hand, and I just do a little flourish like this where I'm basically just turning the cards over, but I turn my palm down and push the cards out with my finger as I snap my fingers on my other hand. So it just looks like that. It's kind of a magical move. Take the cards, turn them around, and boom, now you can show the cards have separated like oil and water, and they're even in order 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So that's 6-card oil and water. Very easy to do. You just have to do the glide move twice, set the cards up, and you'll end up do exactly what I did when I did the glide move, and you'll be able to do this trick. It's not that hard to do, okay? Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate it, and until next time.